This is one of my favourite refreshing summer cocktails, and it's super simple to make. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Okay, this one isn't so family friendly, but with the Queen's Jubilee coming up, I felt it right to show off a delicious, refreshing cocktail. Chris and I'll certainly be having one or two of these over the weekend along with the barbecue. So let's get mixing. We're going to start by making a simple sugar syrup. To do this, we need to use 1 part sugar to 2 parts water. So I'm using about half a cup of sugar here, along with a full cup of water. Bring that to the boil, stirring constantly for 3 to 4 minutes until the sugar completely dissolves. Having to make a sugar syrup is sometimes enough to put me off making a cocktail, but it actually only takes about 5 minutes, and you can scale this right up so you can make loads of cocktails, or you can actually buy this from the shop as well. When that's finished, put the simple sugar syrup to one side to cool. Now make a sugar rim on the glass by dipping the rim of the glass in water and then in sugar. We're going to add 8 basil leaves and 8 slices of cucumber to a cocktail shaker. Muddle or gently bash until the basil and cucumber are bruised and you can smell the lovely basil and refreshing cucumber. Now the pros would use a muddler, but the end of a wooden spoon works just fine. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of the sugar syrup, along with 50 ml or 1 3/4 ounces of gin. There are so many great gins in the UK, and one of the things we love to do is to go searching for those unique flavours. Right now we're loving this local Brixham gin. We're also going to add in a squeeze, about a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and some crushed ice. Then shake vigorously until frost forms on the outside of the cocktail shaker. Fill your glass with ice and strain the cocktail into the glass. And top up with good quality tonic water. Then finally decorate with strips of cucumber and basil leaves. And that's how you make this super simple gin and cucumber basil smash, one of my favourite summer cocktails. And if you like this, you're going to love my dark and stormy cocktail. Right, I'm going to go and enjoy this in the garden while Chris cooks on the barbecue.